Here in Bayhead, our shore house took on about 3 feet of water during Superstorm Sandy. So the homeowners decided to elevate it in 2 lifts. The first lift is what you see now, 4 feet higher. Once most of the work is done, it'll be lifted again an additional 6 feet for a total of 10. Now take a look in here. Gone is the rotted floor system and the deck framing, and they framed in a whole new floor platform for the house. And what they did is they actually attached ledges to the cribbing and used that as a platform for the new framing. Now in charge of the work is Kevin D'Annunzio and his crew. Well, Kevin, great progress over the last few weeks. You guys are flying.
Yes, we're moving things right along, Norm. Let me show you what we have going on.
Whole new frame, looks great.
Yes, what we have here is we have our new joist, which is an engineered laminated beam. Then on the outside, we have an engineered beam also, which we had to install. If you remember, we had the cribbing that came through this opening all the way to the second floor to support that second floor.
Right. So you had to frame around all the cribs.
That's correct, yes. And before we could remove that cribbing, we had to frame our new 2x4 walls, transfer the load from the second floor to the first floor.
Right.
Then we were able to come over and remove this cribbing.
Right, but you didn't take it all out. You left some of it behind.
Yes, we left that cribbing. That will support our new I-beam.
Right.
And then we shimmed it to our new floor.
So you're going to use this to do the next lift.
That's correct.
And that's what's holding the floor right now.
Yes.
So then you were able to just take some small joists and fill it in, and you're done with the floor frame.
And we're done with the floor, yes.
Great. Now the homeowners wanted very traditional layout. They're not really changing very much, and I see you've already set down some shoes or sills which define the walls.
Yes, actually the walls are going to be in the same locations they were. This being the living room, dining room, and our kitchen.
Okay.
The only change they had was they would like to have a little more ceiling height. So what we did was add 16 inches to the height of the ceiling, which we picked that number because it's easy to transfer our 8-inch rises in the stairs.
Right, you don't really want to have to rebuild this staircase, and if this is 8 inches, you just add 2 more and you got your 16.
Perfect.
Well, you know, this is a lot of work, but the fact of the matter is the second floor is pretty much intact.
Yes, this is very typical at the shore after Sandy, where you have the houses destroyed on the first floor and the second floor stayed intact.
Look at this. I mean, this says shore house, doesn't it? A little tiny bathroom tucked under the roof with a set of stairs going up in it. I think it's a little tight to move around in there too. And look at this, a bright pink bedroom, one of the girls' rooms, I suspect. Bed is still made. It looks like they just rushed out of here. And let's see, down here, another small room. Looks like it might have been a little bit of an office.
Basically what we're going to do on the second floor would be painting the walls, cleaning the floors, but we do have a change in our master bedroom.
Well, I know that back here, this was the master bedroom.
Yes, and this will remain the master bedroom with 2 additions.
Okay, so out here, this used to be a roof area. It was part of a 1-story section of the kitchen.
Yes, what we did was remove the rafters. We added the second story. We added a new closet and a new bathroom.
So that's going to be a nice addition to the master suite.
Absolutely. Our second addition, we added a deck off the side.
Wow, look at this. So this was also a roof area, and it serves a much better purpose as a deck. This is great.
With a great view of the bay.
Oh, look at that. You can see the bay. Well, I guess one advantage of elevating is that you get a better view. And in this case, 6 feet higher, it's going to get even better.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.